Hi, and welcome to the Clarity Resource Management video series. My name is Catherine Ellis, and I am a Clarity Product Manager. In the first video of this series, we discussed the importance of the 4 A's in staffing. We also explored the Staffing Workspace and saw how we can use allocations and assignments to staff investments. In this video, let's explore how these managers create staffing requests by adding roles to newly created investments within the Investment Staff module. Let's open an unstaffed investment and navigate to the Staff module. If this investment was created from an existing template, we would already see a few roles here. I have created this empty investment specifically for this demonstration. We are now ready to add the appropriate roles and resources. If you are new to Clarity, speak with your administrator to ensure you have the relevant access rights to view and add roles and resources in Clarity. Let's use the quick option to add a project manager to the investment. Searching in the drop-down list shows the project management role and resources associated with this role. Most managers don't have visibility into who's available for specific roles. Therefore, adding the role acts as a request for actual resources that can fill the demand. Most managers prefer to use the Add Staff option to add resources, roles, and teams to the investment. This allows the manager to view and filter on additional resource properties to locate specific resources, roles, or teams. Let's add multiple roles to this investment. We are now ready to customize the staffing module layout to reflect the specifics of this investment. We can use the View options to define the time period. When we select months, we can see that all the data is sliced into periods and displayed based on fiscal months. We can also define start and end periods. Some investments may stretch across multiple quarters or years. You, as a resource manager, may only be interested in viewing data for the next 6 months. The Totals option allows you to choose if you want to show totals based on the start or end periods or based on the total duration of the investment. For example, if an investment lasts 12 months and the workspace is configured to display 6 months, the Totals column will sum up the values, such as actual cost, for the 6 months displayed in the layout. To display the entire total for the entire duration of the investment, ensure you choose the Grand Total option. Now that we have set up the view options for how the data will be displayed, let's focus on how you can use the column panel to set up the layout. This field is used to change the entire total amount of the allocation to the specified percent, taking into consideration the staff member's availability for the duration of the investment. For example, in an environment where non-working days are tracked through the resource calendar, the availability for the resource is reduced. Staffing the resource to an investment will automatically set the allocation amount based on the resource's availability for working days within the periods. Making a change to the default allocation field allows the manager to quickly change the overall non-manually adjusted amounts. Manual adjustments to the allocations can be done within the specific periods displayed or within the total field. When manual adjustments are present, change in the default allocation will not change the manually updated allocation periods. Some organizations use assignments for staffing purposes. In such cases, project managers create the investment task work breakdown structure and assign resources. Adding the ETC field to the staff grid allows us to compare the total ETC and allocation amounts. Let's add in the Requested Manager field to our grid layout. For each role staffed, a specific manager can be assigned, and you can converse with the managers to fill the requested roles. Using the Staffing Workspace, requested managers can identify underutilized resources across the organization available to fill the demand based on the role requested. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video of this series, We will dive deeper into how you can set up this workspace based on your organizational requirements.